Hey, so in order to use the Astra AI website builder, we are going to go over to VP admin of our WordPress website. So currently I'm on it. And if you're not here, you need to first go over to the web page, and then you could either click here and then click on dashboard, or you could, in this URL, type in slash and then VP admin, VP dash admin. Then do a slash again like this. Click on enter on your keyboard, which is going to take you to the VP admin page over here. Now you just need to click here on the left hand side on appearance and themes, which is going to take you over here. Now inside the appearance, you're going to find starter templates. Click here. Now on it, you're going to find AI website builder. How would you like to build your website? We will choose the AI website builder here. We will click on build with AI. This is powered by ZipWP, which is a really powerful tool, and it's going to help you to build your website 10x faster. So let's click here on build with AI. Start over. Now we need to name the website. I'm going to name it Casapaus. The website is for. Let's click here. It's going to give us a drop down. Let's select local business. Website will be in. You can select the language for it. These are all the languages there are available. I'm going to keep it in English. All right, now let's select next. You can describe the Casapaus in few words. So I'm going to say something like this. Casapaus is a pet accessory store. You could improve using AI. So let's click here. And it's going to give you this. I'm going to copy it. It looks good, but I'm going to copy it, remove it, and let's write using AI. Let's see what this does. Okay, it did great. And you can just select some things here and remove and replace it, like the text and such. This also looks good, but I'm going to remove it and paste the old one. Looks great. This one looks great. Now let's click on next. There is an email, phone number, address, and social media. You can select all this. How can people get in touch with Casapaus? I'm just going to enter in some random stuff, and for social media, I can click here on the plus icon, and then I can select any of these. For example, I'm going to select YouTube, and then you need to enter in the YouTube URL. Something like this, and then click on next. Okay, this is not a valid URL. One second. I think it would require you to submit the whole thing. I think this should work. Yep. All right, now we need to select the images. So it has already put pet accessories here, and we can select these images. Should be from Pikzels or Pixabay somewhere. Yep, Pikzels. So let's select one of these. Let's go for this one. I think we can select multiple. So let's just select a few of them. And let's click on next. You could also upload your own images here if you want. These are the selected images, and you can delete from here, unselect from here. You can also clear all. You've also got the ability to change the orientation. So if you want the images in portrait mode and you just want those, you can select here, and then you will get all the images in the portrait mode. All right. We have already selected 8 of these, so I'm going to click on next. Awesome. There you go. We've got all of these. And we can choose between Elementor and block editor. Okay. And I have a feeling that these are all in premium plan. These are all premium. So what I mean is that you would probably need premium to use these. Let's select one of these and see if that's the case. Okay, yeah. You have chosen a premium design. Access this design and all other with our paid plans. All right. I've put a link in the description if you want to get Spectra, Astra with a paid plan. You can get it, and it's going to help me out with a small commission. So I'm going to click on exit from here. Let's go to Elementor again. I did not find any non-premium plans here, themes here. I think all of them requires you, okay, this one, option 9 and option 2 were non-premium, and all the others are with a premium plan. So if I go for block editor, these are just if you want the block editor or if you want to use the Elementor page builder, that's what this is. So if I use block editor, we've got option 9 for free. So we're going to go with this one. I'm going to click on open design in a new tab for preview. Okay, this looks great. So let's go back here and click on it. Then you can choose a color palette like this. I think a dark and blue looks amazing. I can select the site logo from here. So you can upload a site logo. You can make the logo in ideogram or Canva. Both have a great option to make logos with AI. Now you can also use these font pairs. Okay, this looks great. And let's click on continue. Now here we've got select features. Before we proceed, I'm going to go here and search for ideogram. If you don't know this website, this is a really nice one. This is ideogram.ai. And what you could do is you could just say, design a logo, modern logo for Casapaus. Something like this. And on the bottom, you've got this style. Click on that and then click on design. Now, next up, you can click on generate. It's going to take in 4 credits. With the free plan, you get 12 credits. So let's click here to generate. And there you go. We have got our logos here. And you can keep on generating it to make a really nice one. I think this first one looks great. And once you've done, you can just click here on download to download it to your computer. Then, you can just go to Canva, remove the background, make some changes, and then again, insert it inside our AI website builder. You just need to click on back and then click on that. 1 second, let's go down this one. Here you can upload the file, the site logo, and then you can proceed forward. All right, next you've got select features. So you can select the features you want on this website. You could go with e-commerce. It's with shortcut. You could click on here to do a drop down. Then you can select WooCommerce from here. You can select it. If you want appointment and bookings, you can select this as well. Then click on start building. Now here it says that great job, your site is ready, and sign up for a free zip WP account to import and customize your website. So you can create one from here, or you can click on login. So I did a quick sign up, and if I scroll down, I've got this try free plan. So let's click on it. And now it's connecting to our WordPress website. All right, now let's click on start building. You have got 2 out of 2 AI site generations remaining in your account. All right, let's click on confirm and proceed. So basically with this AI website builder, you do need to use the zip WP as well. And it's going to integrate it, and then it's going to build that website. I'll put a link to both Astra and the zip WP in the description, so you can go through that. Currently, it's building the website for us. So just need to wait for a few seconds. I think it would take like 5 minutes, or I will let you know once it's done how long it took to build the website. All right, our website is ready. Awesome, right? It took approx 4 minutes. It was a little bit more than what I thought. Let's click on see your website, or visit the dashboard. Let's click on see your website first. It's going to take us over here, and this is what it has created. Let me go to dashboard. I think it was using an old one, if I'm not wrong. Let me see a second. If I go to appearance and themes. Okay, I figured it out. The thing is, I had the website before with this theme installed, and it was kind of not compatible with what we did just now. So it made these double pages inside the pages, all pages. This home is 2 of them. So this is the front page. This was what we saw before. So whenever you go to this website, the main page of it is going to take you over here, the original one. And the one we created with the AI builder, it's actually this one, this home. This is home 2, as you can see in the URL. So I'm going to click here and open it in a new view. And there you go. Now you can see the whole website with the images that we have selected before. You can see everything here. And if you want to change something inside it, you can click on edit page. I'm going to take you over to the editor. This is Gutenberg editor. Now you can make change to the web page. So I can just click here, and you have got ask AI, bold, italic, and such. And then you can just write something here, delete, and a lot more. Now over here, I can scroll down. And if I want to add something else, I can do that. There's a plus icon to add a block. And then you can search, or you could browse all, and it's going to open up this on the left hand side. Here you can see all the blocks. So you can do an YouTube embed, WordPress embed, and a lot more. If you want to learn more about Gutenberg or WordPress, I've made more videos on it. So you can check it out at the end on the right hand side. There will be a playlist, so you can go through that. For particular blocks, you can see here on the right hand side, it's going to open up this, and you can change the background color and a lot more. All right, once done, once you have made changes to it, you can just click here on save on the top right. And that's it. That's how to use the Astra AI website builder. I hope this video helped solve your problem. If it did, let me know with the like and comment. And on the right hand side, you're going to find more WordPress and Astra related tutorials. So see you there and bye for now.